harder in the audio because it's kind of, we're using the GoPro and stuff, it's easy to hear around. But we're here. There's stuff like giant freaking planes that you can just go out and buy, hood ornaments, whatever you fancy. So we're here with Redbeard, Cars and Cameras, B Welding, Kart Fab, Go Kart Alley, and Go Power Sports, and a lot of the Texas Outlaw mini bike guys. So we're here. We're basically just gonna look for some cool finds, hang out with the guys, say hi to some of y'all. So stay tuned. This will be a cool little video, kind of chill. Just kind of, this is our last weekend, and then we're gonna come right back on Monday and start studying for finals, which are on the Thursday and the Friday. So stick with us, guys. Rotary content coming very soon. I know y'all want it, but and turbo, everything. So many of y'all came out here and asked us, like, where's the turbo, where's the rotary? We're like, I know we want it bad, but we'll get there. It's honorable mention for the Pate's build. This thing, it's a 672 stroke snowmobile. They brought 2 of them. Yeah, like, I can't even imagine. So I don't know, let us know if we should build one. Alright guys, this is Taylor's bike from Go Power Sports. We raced this thing against the C10 bike, and he had me by bus lengths. And for mini bike racing, that's a lot, so this thing's sick. Alright guys, say hello to our newest Pate find. It's a Yamaha MX 80cc. It's pretty dang sweet. It's a 4-speed, basically makes, I actually don't know how much power it makes, but we paid $550 for it. It's kind of funny. It says I don't really want to sell it. So I've actually never ridden anything with a dirt bike transmission on it. So, or like with a clutch on the pedal, on the handle grips. So this is kind of a good learner bike for us, especially because we have that CR 125. Right now, it seems like when we open the fuel petcock, a bunch of gas comes out of it. So like out of where the hose mounts to the carburetor. So I think all that's going to need is a clamp, and then we can try to find a little air filter for her. But this thing runs and drives. What do you think?
Pretty awesome. I mean, we had like a bunch of people come up, offer to buy it. Like 2 people stop by and tell them they had them as kids. It's like, seems everybody loves them and super excited to get building it.
And basically there's a bunch of stuff here that you didn't think you needed until you saw it. So that's basically what we're doing right now. We're out hunting.
Hose clamp for our new dirt bike we just got.
Yeah, but anyways, so hopefully we can find some. I mean, most people don't have hardware stuff here.
Yeah, went to 3 different booths, asked the booths if they knew booths, and nobody had zip ties.
Yeah, they got something.
Or not zip ties, hose clamps.
Oh yeah, zip ties are very prevalent in the Pate area.
Yeah, not the right stuff though.
Hey, look at how good this bike looks, guys.
I think that might work.
Yeah, and it is pre-mixed because we don't know how the oil mixture stuff's working out. Apparently we can take off the cover on the other side and like see how it functions. All right, let's crack that and see if we can.
On. Well, that seems like an easy fix.
All right, no leaking.
Sweet. Okay, let's see. Really solid. This was a good buy.
Tough, huh?
First try I did it, but second and third I can't.
Baby's first motorcycle. It's mine too. I'm not throwing shade or nothing. Got a nice suspension on it.
Wanting to die a lot.
Yeah, the carb's upset.
It's right, like once you get past a certain throttle, it's just like a race bike that was too rich. Like you're going okay, and then you hit a certain throttle, and it's probably too rich, and it just dies. Oh.
That was horrible.
Yeah. Well, half of it that makes this thing so hard is that it just wants to die. Oh. Oh. There you go. What'd you think?
It's fun, dude. It runs like crap though.
Yeah, we could probably take the carb apart.
Yeah. It's so rich.
I mean, I couldn't think of a better learner bike. It's like fast enough to be really fun, but also not too fast that we'll kill ourselves. I mean, I'm super happy with this thing. It's amazing.
It's pretty. Yeah, guys, so after 5 o'clock, all the sharks start circling. We got a lot of sharks out here. So it's 5 o'clock, you can ride. So we're about to get ready, everything all suited up. Oh, they started up to 600, huh? Yeah, buddy. That car's running E85. Cool guy. Let's get it.
If you got a Z06 Corvette, this thing will outrun your Z06 Corvette. Hey, be really careful. Don't get them hauling ass. They'll run over 100 miles an hour. You can get 100 right down through here if you push the pedal too far. Don't do that.
Yeah, no, I'll be gentle.
Be gentle, but there's a whole lot under the pedal that you haven't seen yet.
All right. Scared enough.
After just riding it.
Okay, which one's riding? Who wants to ride which one? They're both stupid fast.
If you're real ballsy, you can take mine. With the seat without a hole.
Alright. Nobody's ass here will fit through that seat. Come on, I mean, let's roll over this car.
Yeah, I see it. Okay, go ahead.
That hole there, that's the hole there.
Excrement now.
What we got going on here?
Alright, that's just my brakes.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
You see a high spot
Like, I mean, I have no words. Look at me. I'm going nuts.
Oh,
You spun so fast it like rips your feet off of the pedals.
No, you can't. There's no thinking.
Oh man, that was awesome.
Cool guys there.
Yeah.
I'll put their link in the description for the video of them racing some Corvettes and stuff.
Yeah, cool.
I'm done.
There you go.
Yeah. Sir, you built yourself. That might as well be a coffin on wheels. Chris was looking at a scroll saw. Pretty cool stuff here. But we're back on the road.
Not very fast, but it's funky and smooth. I like it. I like it.
We're back. Alright, we're right about packing up, guys.
Let's see.
So, just about heading out. What used to be Go Power Sports booth, just a bunch of concrete. So,
Okay.
good to see you, John.
Yeah, good to see you, man.
See you,
Jason,
Ike?
good to see you, bud.
See? Good to see you.
Good to see you. Until next time, boys.
Yep.
Grant.
Good seeing you.
Nice seeing you guys.
See you soon on the dyno.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, guys, take care. See you around.
Alright guys, thanks for watching. Pates was super fun. Thanks to everybody who was out here. Thank you Go Power Sports for making this whole thing possible. And make sure to stay tuned for that MX video.